Welcome to the best picks. The best World War II kits is probably one of the most rewarding and engaging hobbies for history buffs and model enthusiasts alike, offering a unique blend of historical accuracy, intricate detail, and the satisfaction of creating a miniature replica of iconic military vehicles and aircraft from World War II. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect kit for your skill level and interests, from simple snap-together models to complex, highly detailed builds that will challenge even the most experienced modelers. Number 5. Airfix LCM-3 and Sherman Kit. This kit lets you build iconic World War II vehicles. It includes both the LCM-3 landing craft and the Sherman tank, famous for their roles in the war. The LCM-3 was a vital landing craft during World War II, with over 8,600 built. This model captures its historical significance. The Sherman M4A2 tank was a key American tank in World War II, improving on earlier designs. Build your own piece of history. Airfix offers a wide variety of model kits, from World War II vehicles to modern ones. There's something for everyone, from beginners to experts. This kit is a skill level 2, ideal for those with some model building experience. It contains 88 parts, decals, and sprues. This detailed 1 hour 76-minute scale model kit includes everything you need except paint and glue. Get ready to assemble. Since 1952, Airfix has been a leading name in model kits. It's a great way to explore history and enjoy a challenging hobby. What we like. It includes 2 of the most famous vehicles of World War II. It's perfect if you have some model building experience, as it's rated skill level 2. With 88 parts, it offers a challenging yet rewarding build for intermediate modelers. What people say. This model design was quite easy to assemble, and the design seems to offer durability. Easy to assemble, the instructions explained perfectly. Makes a great model, but the multiple small wheels pose a task. The hull has to be kept in alignment, so it's best to allow time for the glue to really set. Kit is well molded with minimal excess flash. Number 4. B-24J Bomber Plastic Model Kit. Get ready to build your own B-24J Bomber. It's a challenging and rewarding project for model enthusiasts of all skill levels. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Carefully examine each piece. Notice the intricate details and high-quality plastic. Make sure everything is accounted for before you begin assembly. Gather your tools and workspace. You'll need plastic cement, hobby knife, and possibly some sandpaper. A well-lit area is recommended. Follow the instructions carefully, one step at a time. Take your time and don't rush the process. Precision is key for a great-looking model. Once it's fully assembled, you can add some finishing touches. Consider painting it, adding decals, or weathering it for a more realistic look. Let your creativity shine. Congratulations! You've successfully built your own B-24J bomber model. Display it proudly and enjoy your accomplishment. It's a fantastic addition to any model collection. What we like. This kit lets you build a legendary World War II bomber. It comes with all the necessary craft supplies. If you are looking for a challenging project and enjoy painting your models, this is the kit for you. What people say. It is a 1/92 scale, so it doesn't take up a lot of space on a shelf. The parts fit well and it doesn't take a lot of cement to assemble them. It is molded in desert sand color, and doesn't need painting. The decals are not too fragile and look correct on the finished model. It is a good starter model for those who are beginning to build models. This neat kit is a reissue by Atlantic of an older Revell model. Once cleaned up fit was excellent for nearly all parts, and I did not have to trim anything to fit. I actually purchased this kit to fill a gap in a simple snap-together bomber set I had already bought. Fun to build, model plans and parts were clearly defined. Number 3. Tamiya 35346 Sherman Tank Kit. It boasts slide-molded turret and upper hull parts. This offers easy assembly and incredible detail, saving you time and effort. Notice the cast metal turret and welded hull textures. They're accurately reproduced for an authentic look. The rear of the model showcases incredibly detailed engine grills, exhausts, and accessories. Every small part adds to the overall realism. Clear parts are used for the light lenses and cupola vision blocks. These small details significantly improve the model's realism. The single-pin T66 tracks are recreated with included belt-type tracks. Assembly is simple, yet the result is highly accurate. A highly detailed commander figure is included, adding a realistic touch to your model. Even the periscope is separately molded for accuracy. The drive sprockets feature fine holes, adding to the overall level of detail and realism of this model. What we like. This Sherman tank boasts incredible realism. The slide-molded parts and metal turret make assembly easier and the end result highly detailed. If you value accuracy and a smooth build, this is the kit for you. What people say. The usual high quality and level of detail you can expect from Tamiya. With Tamiya you can always expect easily build a very good representation of the subject while having room for some simple improvements. This is a super detailed model for how beginner-friendly I found it to be, with all the small parts. This was a fabulous kit to make. Tamiya really do provide kits with excellent detail. The instructions were very clear. Number 2. Academy World War II F6F-35 Fighter. Get ready to assemble a highly detailed replica of a World War II U.S. Navy fighter. This 1/72nd scale model offers an exciting build experience for model enthusiasts. It boasts a highly detailed cockpit interior and landing gear, bringing realism to your model. You'll appreciate the level of detail in this impressive kit. Choose your favorite version. It comes with authentic markings for 2 different aircraft and optional parts to build it as either a -3 or -5 model. Follow the easy-to-understand instructions and bring this iconic aircraft to life. Each piece fits together seamlessly for a satisfying build. Once complete, proudly display your meticulously crafted model. It's a stunning addition to any collection. Everything you need is in the box, except for paint and glue. So gather your supplies and let the building begin. What we like. This fighter plane model kit provides a highly detailed cockpit and comes in 1/72 scale. You can build either the -3 or -5 version. If you appreciate intricate details and like the option of building different versions, this kit is for you. What people say. A wonderful 1 hour 72-minute scale model with lots of detail. Is very realistic, a little process to get all parts together, something that I enjoy doing. It's a really good model because it's easy to assemble, really good for beginners. Number 1. Tamiya 148 M4A3E8 Sherman. Get ready to assemble this detailed 1/48 scale replica of the iconic Sherman tank. It's a challenging and rewarding build for model enthusiasts of all levels. It boasts accurately rendered surface textures, capturing the look of the cast turret and welded hull. You'll appreciate the level of realism. The wide, single-pin T66 tracks are realistically assembled, and the included hull weights add a satisfying heft to the finished model. The tracks are designed for easy assembly, using one-piece straight sections to simplify the process. This makes it perfect for modelers of all skill levels. A detailed commander torso figure is included, along with 2 marking options to personalize your tank. Add your own unique touch. At 1/48 scale, it measures 156 mm in length and 62 mm in width. It's the perfect size for display and a great addition to any collection. What we like. This Sherman tank kit offers a larger scale and detailed textures. It includes a commander figure for added realism. If you prefer a larger scale model with authentic details, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. The details are crisp and accurate. Pieces fit pretty well. Flash-free, good detail, easily assembled. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.